Hello everybody, it's time for maths with Miss Hemingway. Let's have a look at this question before we start. So yesterday we started the topic money. We were counting money, we were learning about coins, and we were counting in pence. So I just wanted to show you this question as a bit of a practice and a deepen activity. And then we are going to move on to counting in pounds. Before we even look at this, have you played the game that I put on the blog for you with this video? If not, click off, go and play the game for a few minutes to remind yourself the names of the coins and then come back to me. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, so when you click on the game, the link to the game, it will take you to this screen. Click here, play game. Actually, it might not take you here, it might take you to this screen. So you click sorting and you click sort one coin. Okay? Oh, we've not done pounds yet, but you might know a little bit about that, so you can have a go, can't you? It says sort the £1 coins into the money box. The £1 coins only. Now I know a £1 coin is a gold one, and I can actually see that it says £2, so it's not that. Not that one, is it? It's this one. So I'm just going to put all the £1 coins into the money box. Check. Yay. Okay, on your screen, can you point to the 2p coins, please? I need to put the 2p coins in my money box. 2p coins. Right, so this one, this one, and this one. Let's check it. Well, on your screen, can you point to the 10p coins for me? 10p, which one is it? Which colour is a 10p coin? Aha. 10p, this one, thank you. This one's the same. This one and this one. I can see it's got a 10 on it. That's a clue. Let's check it. One more. Point to the 5p coin for me. 5p. And which colour is 5p coin? Yes, it's a small silver coin. And it's got a 5 on it. There's a clue, hasn't it? Press check. Fantastic. Okay, so that's how you play that game. We'll not do it anymore because I want you to go back and have a go at that game all by yourself. Okay, so now we've reminded ourselves what the coins look like and what their name is. I've got a question for you. My question is, Mo has this coin. What's this coin called? And Alex has these coins. Who has the most money? Right, let me have a think. What's this coin called again? A 50p. And this coin is called a 10p. So 3 tens. I know 3 tens is 30. I'm going to just put it here as a clue because it will help me. And I know this is a 50p coin because you told me. So who has the most money? Is it Mo with his 50p or is it Alex with his 30p. That's right. 50p is greater than 30p. So Mo has more money. How do you know? Because 50p is greater than 30p. Do you agree? Yeah, fantastic. Okay, you ready to sing with me? I love maths, yes I do. I love maths, how about you? We love maths, yes we do. We love maths and we're ready to. Star words. My turn, your turn. Coins. Your turn. Pounds. Your turn. Pence. Less than. Greater than. How much? It's money. Money. What do these symbols mean? I know you might have seen them before, especially if you go shopping sometimes. This symbol is a quick, short way of writing pounds. My turn, your turn. Pounds. And this symbol is a quick way of writing pence. My turn, your turn. Pence. Pence. Sometimes we say P for short, don't we? Okay. Yesterday we learnt. I wonder if I've got it. Yes, I have. Yesterday we learnt 1p. Can you just help me name them? 1 penny, 2 pence, 5 pence, 10 pence, 20 pence, and 50 pence. And we learnt, and it's just like when we're doing our deans, listen, are you messy? 50 pence, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's worth 5 tens. 20 pence is worth how many tens? 2. 10 pence is worth 1 10. 5 pence is worth no tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. 2 pence is 2 ones. And 1 pence is 1 1. Now this will give you a surprise. A £1 coin is worth 100. 100 pennies make £1. And that's funny, isn't it? Because £1 is only quite small, it doesn't look like 100 pennies can fit inside £1. But remember when we were looking at the materials and the colours yesterday, £1 has gold on it. Now, gold is much more expensive than copper. Copper is not worth a lot of money. Gold is worth a lot of money. So 100 pennies is the same amount of money as £1. 1 golden pound. And if we look at it, it's a bit round, isn't it? It's not exactly round. It's got some almost corners. But it's like a rounded shape. It's golden, silver in the middle, and it's got a crown. And these, oh my goodness, I wonder if you'll remember these. Can you remember when we were doing the map of the United Kingdom and we looked at the national plants for each country, and we had the rose for England, we had the leek, and also sometimes the daffodil for Wales, we had the thistle for Scotland, and we had the shamrock for Ireland, and those are the 4 flowers on the £1 coin. That's what they're representing. So it's £1 is worth 100 pennies, and we do the pound symbol and the number 1. £1. Next up we have £2. Pound symbol 2. £2. It is golden and silver, but it's bigger. It's bigger than a £1 coin. That's the main difference. Also, you can actually see it says £2 on it. That's to help you. Guess how much a £2 coin is worth? So a £1 coin is worth 100 pennies. A £2 coin is worth the same as 2 £1 coins. They are equal. So it's worth 100, 200 pennies. 200 pennies. And that's the end of the coins. So I'm sure you'll have seen some money before that's made out of paper. And that's funny, isn't it? Because it's not made out of silver or gold, it's made out of paper. But we know this is special paper. Special paper that has the Queen's face on it, and it says Bank of England. It's worth money in the Bank of England. You can buy things with it, okay? So this one, the blue one, the smallest one, is £5. Guess how many pound coins go into a £5? That's right, 5. It was obvious, wasn't it? How many pennies go into a £5 then? £1 is 100 pennies. £2 is 200 pennies. £5 is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 pennies is worth the same as a £5 coin. Oh my goodness. The next biggest note, so we call it a paper note, or a bank note, is, read it with me, £10. So it's the next biggest, it's orange, we've still got the Queen's head on, and it says 10. It's a clue, it tells you it's £10. How many pounds is it worth? 10. How many pennies is it worth? So it's not worth 100, it's not worth 200, it's not worth 500, it's worth, yes, that's right, 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1,000 pennies. Oh my goodness. That's the same as, I want my pen. So if I do 10 and 2 zeros of 100, it's the same as 1,000 pennies. Wow. And the last note we're going to look at today is a £20 note. So it's purple, it says 20 on it. £20. How many pennies is it worth? That's right, 20 hundreds, which is the same as... Ooh, it's very hard to write on this computer. I know you'll understand because that's really messy. It's worth 2,000 pennies. Can you believe it? 2,000 pennies is the same as £20. Okay. Pause the video quickly. Look at these coins and notes. What is the same and what is different? Okay, so that's a good noticing. You've got 2 copper coins. You've got 2 round silver coins. 2 silver coins that are heptagon. And 2 gold coins. And then we're on to the banknotes, but they all have their own colour. So the blue is 5. £10 is orange and £20 is purple. I don't know if we need to do this in the video because you're so good of doing it yesterday. So if you feel confident, you can get on and do this. But I will go through it on the video just because some people might want to remind themselves how to do it, okay? So remember, we look at what we are counting in and we remind ourselves to count in the right amounts. What's this coin? What would we count in for this coin? It's a 50p, isn't it? It's just a 50p. There's only one. But if there was more, what would I count in? 50s, that's right. What's this coin? Can you remember? The smallest gold coin is the one with the flowers on. It's £1. Because it's £1, we don't count in hundreds like we're counting pennies all the time. We don't need to do that because we can talk in pounds and pence. So we just count in ones. We count how many pounds there are. Can you help me? Come on then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. £8. Don't forget your pound sign. What's this coin? I know there's a clue there, but I can't quite see it. It's a £2 coin. Well done. So I would count in 2s, wouldn't I? So let's say they're all worth 2. Yeah? Can you help me count them? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Don't forget the pound sign, £14. Okay, so for our activity today, you will need some coins. If you don't have any in your home, there is some that you can cut out on the sheet or on the sheet before it, so don't worry. You'll need to cut them out before you do anything else. And then we're going to sort them. Don't cut these ones out. It's on the page before, the ones that you cut out. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do is label them. What are their names? This one is a 2... Oh, what am I doing? It's not a £2. This one is a 2p, isn't it? Which one's a £2? Yes, that's right, that one. So then I would need the pound sign and £2. Now I'm not going to do them all for you because that would be cheating. You are going to label all of these coins, okay? And then we're going to sort them. So all the ones that are pence and all the ones are pounds. Well, already I know that 2p is pence and £2 is pounds. Which other ones do you know? Which other ones are pence? And there's only one other one that's a pound coin. How about even and odd numbers? Which one is an even number? So anything that's in the 2 times table is an even number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 20. Because 20 is in the 10s and the 2s. And if it's not in that, it's an odd number. So I know 2p is an even number because that's in the 2 times table. 1p is an odd number. That's in the not in the 2 times table. Which £2 is in the 2 times table, isn't it? £2. What else? 10p. That's right. Okay, I'm not going to give you all the answers. If it's an even number, it goes here. If it's an odd number, it goes here. If it's silver coin, it goes here. If it's not silver, so it's brown or it's gold, it goes here. If it's round, it goes here. 50p is not round, is it? So 50p would go here, whereas all the other coins would go here. What's the other one? There's another one there that's not round. Maybe you're right. You'll put that one there. And then bronze or brown metal we call bronze goes here, and gold goes here. Silver we're not going to put in this one. Okay? That's your job. Sort all the coins in all the different ways that you can do. Okay? Okay, I think you're ready. Email me if you need any help. Bye bye, guys.